Hi, this is Angie from VRAcademi and I'm going to show you how you can create a new account in Scratch. So, you go to the webpage scratch.mit.edu and then click Join Scratch. You have to create a username, but it has to be unique. Don't forget that thousands of students or people around the world are using Scratch right now. So if you type Maria, it won't accept it because it is already taken. So try to use something that it is more unique, but it does not reveal your surname as well if you are under 18. So I will use this and then create a password for this and type the password again. I would suggest that you write this username and password in a notebook where you keep all your passwords, because it is guaranteed that you are going to forget it in a while. So I will click next and then I choose the country where I live. So I will use Greece. If you put your country there and click next, I will tell when I was born, and you do the same. You can give the actual date of your birth even if you are under 18, because it is an educational software, so even younger people can join and create account. Write your sex and then you write your name. If you don't have a mail, you can use your parents' name. The reason we are asked this mail is because afterward you're going to be asked to verify your mail so that you can share your projects with other users inside Scratch. Also, if you forget your password, a new password will be sent in this mail. Otherwise, if you forget your password, you wouldn't have a way in order to get inside your account and you would lose all your work. So I'm going to use my mail and I am going to create my account. Now that I have created my account, I can go on and create projects which will be saved automatically. But if I want to save my projects, I will have to confirm my mail. So I will click here and go to my mail and click the link that has been sent to me by Scratch in order to confirm my mail. That's it. So if you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.